You are currently looking at the PowerPoint that we're going to create some buttons for in hyperlink. Click on page 2. What we want to do is create a shape. Now there's two ways you can do this. I'm only going to show you one. Here's my shape. And what I would like to do is hyperlink this to the newsletter. To do that, I'm going to click on my right button and or click on hyperlink. And click on preschool newsletter and click on OK. And now that's hyperlinked. Now what I would like to do is place a word there saying newsletter. To do that, I simply click on word art and I'm going to choose this one. I had chosen the word newsletter. I'm going to highlight it, click on the word home, reduce the size of my wording so it fits in that little block, and I'm going to change it to red. And then simply grab it and slide it down. Then while it's highlighted, I wish to hyperlink this as well, so I click on Insert, Hyperlink button, and pick Preschool Newsletter, the same one, and click on OK. Now these are both highlighted. Now the next thing I would like to do is click on the shape again, and I'm going to click my right button and click on Format Shape. Then three-dimensional, and I'm going to change the shape of my button. And as you can see, if you watch the shape increase, I'm going to make it 28 and by 33 or whatever you'd like. Simply click on OK. Next, I would like to group these together, the word and the shape. To do that, I'm going to hold down my left button and highlight the two, hold down my shift key and click on Format, and click on the down arrow and group. Now those two are grouped together. Now, when I hit the little icon at the bottom or hit F5 and run the PowerPoint, you'll notice it's hyperlinked. Watch carefully. So I take my mouse and I click right about here, and it jumps right to the document if it stays there, and it says preschool. What's nice about this is the parents have the newsletter in their hands and also on the screen. Let's do this again for the next policy so you can see how that works one more time. Okay, now for the policy, again I'm going to click on Insert, Shape, choose this shape and place it right about here. Next, I want to hyperlink it to the policies, so I click on my hyperlink button and click on Classroom Policy and click on OK. Next, I want to put the wording there, so I click on the letter A, choose this one, which I'll change the lettering and the coloring. You'll notice I went to Home and I highlighted the word and I changed it to red, and I'm going to reduce the size by clicking on this small a, grab it and move it down here, and it needs to be a little bit smaller, and place it right about there. Now if you hold down your control key and your arrow key, you can very gingerly move it to the left and the right however you like. Let's highlight this and hyperlink it to policies also. So those two things are hyperlinked together. Next, let's group them. Oh, before we group them, let's make this three-dimensional. I'm going to right-click, Format, and three-dimensional, and I'm going to change the width. You'll notice I changed the width and the height to 24 and 50. Click on OK. Next, I want to group these together. So I take my mouse and I'm going to highlight the two, hold down my control key and click on Format, click on my down arrow and group. And now this is hyperlinked to the policies. To show you that, let me click on the icon down here to run this one page. Then you remember your PowerPoint must be running in order to see any of these work. Then I'm going to click on Policy, and you'll notice it clicks right through the policy, so you can go over the policies of your class with your parents. And again, your parents have these in their hands at the same time. Okay, let's cover very quickly what we've done. 1, we created a button, a shape. We went to Insert, Shapes. 2, we went to the newsletter, or we hyperlinked Then we went to the word art, placed it on here, changed the color of the word art, hyperlinked it, and then we grouped everything together. Okay, thank you for watching this video.